Red Rock Recovery Center offers their clients the unique chance to participate in activities that get them engaged in a healthy lifestyle. We believe a cornerstone of recovery includes maintaining physical, mental, and spiritual health. These outdoor excursions give the clients an excellent opportunity for self-discovery and early recovery. By exposing our clients to healthy and active real-world lifestyles, we encourage growth and exploration to promote a personal pursuit in spirituality and recovery. Spending time in the vast expanse of the Rocky Mountains allows our clients to develop a serenity and stillness paramount to discovering oneself. Community camping trips engage clients in problem solving, leadership skills, and an attitude of taking action. With limited resources and few distractions, clients learn to lean on one another and engage in interpersonal relationships. The wild and untamed setting provides a place to truly disconnect, where clients can experience a sense of well-being and balance. A non-judgmental environment allows an atmosphere of safe learning for all levels of fitness. The experiential program at Red Rock Recovery Center is intended to provide the client with new practices that can translate into everyday life. Enjoyment and pleasure are obtainable in recovery if you can give yourself the correct tools for success. Red Rock Recovery Center. Recovery starts here.